Alcom has released a new line of armored M12 cable assemblies for use in industrial Ethernet, I/O connectivity, industrial control, and factory automation applications. These premium armored M12 cable assemblies are built with high flex, outdoor CMX-rated, double shielded FRTPE cable. The inner cable jacket is resistant to oil, UV sun rays, and weld splatter, and is rated for 600 volts. Additional features include IP68-rated M12 connectors to protect against liquid and particulate ingress. The stainless steel armor protects the cable from damage and features 1500 psi of crush resistance. Alcom's armored M12 cable assemblies are designed to exceed category standards and ensure uninterrupted network performance even in harsh industrial or severe weather environments. The cables are available off the shelf in 1, 2, 3, 5, and 10-meter lengths. For more information on these exclusive M12 cables, visit alcom.com.